What are the unique strengths of your company?
Well, this company, Armstrong Exhibition and Conferences Private Limited, is founded by the team members of our company, Mr. Sharad Sabu, who is a CA and into stock market himself. Myself, Amit Thakur, I am from exhibition background, MBA Finance. My colleague Karan Kohli, who is from exhibition background, Ms. Swati Sabu, who is MBA Finance. So we all team members are having experience in the finance and this exhibition as a category. The very concept of FinBridge is bringing together different aspects of finance like stock market. Where you have stock brokers, you have mutual fund players, you have insurance companies, you have financial technologies. It's a very rare thought of bringing them all together, because all together they serve the need of a trade people or for the retail segment. So the unique segment thing is that we have brought this whole entire segment together so that we can solve the problem or give solutions to the trade, to the retail segment. Yes.
How this event is going to benefit the visitors?
Well, visitors are here of two kinds. One is trade, one is retail. Trade is 70%, retail is 30% on an average. So the distributors, the channel partners who will come here, who will be distributors for mutual fund companies, who will be distributors for insurance companies, or channel partners, sub-brokers of stock broking houses. They will get to know new schemes. They will get to know about conferences and workshops which we have been doing, where eminent speakers from these different segments will be talking. So trade people will benefit a lot from what's going to happen in the new budget, what are the new technologies to be imparted, so that they can earn more. I want them to go back from the exhibition with something in their hand where they gain something from it and they remember us for that. So the retail segment is a very good platform where the entire segment is together. They come here and they get to know, they get a lot of knowledge from here, which they can use for their daily trading and earn money, take benefit out of this.
Thank you.